Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Asia Technical TV. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. In this video we will make a password generator using Python. You can use this password generator for generating secure password for your social media accounts and secure it from hackers. In this video I am using Visual Studio Code as an IDE, but you can use any IDE. Let's get started. First you need to import two modules which are named as string and random. After that write main function, and inside of our main function we will write a password generator code. S1, S2, S3, S4 are the names of variables. If you are facing any problem, then you can comment down below. Displayed the final password that is generated. All the source code is in the description of video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates at time. Thank you very much for watching.